So here are those two paragraphs for you, paragraph A and paragraph B. So this time I am not giving you much work. I know very well how you are feeling. You are struggling to complete your assignments and so many other things. Okay, so just tell me, paragraph A, is it based on facts or is it based on opinions? Similarly, paragraph B, is it based on facts or is it based on opinion? That's all, nothing doing. Keep the answers with you only, and when we'll be meeting for the next time, we'll be discussing. Nothing, just listen to my lecture carefully, especially the earlier video, and try to follow. Hope it will be very useful for you. And listen to these two, I will be reading out two very short paragraphs. Just tell whether they are based on facts or opinions. Okay, fine. So this is paragraph number A. I am reading it out. Please listen to me carefully, very short. Drama, music, movement and rhythm need not only be part of vacation exercises. In their present form, they are essential and good emotional and intellectual supplements to learning in groups to which our children have to adopt. The performance media can easily be part of the school learning process. So that was a short paragraph. Was it based on facts or opinion? Is that the opinion of the writer or is it universally accepted throughout the world? That you have to decide and then tell. Okay. Now paragraph B coming your way. I'll be reading out whether it is based on facts or opinions. You have to decide. Are you all ready? So here comes paragraph B. Very short paragraph, not more than 3 to 4 lines. Listen to me very, very carefully, all of you. Give a smile. I hope you are all enjoying my video lessons. Okay. Give a smile. Feel free, feel relaxed, feel happy, no tension. English classes, don't worry please. Just enjoy the classes. Okay, so here comes the paragraph. Christopher does 3 or 4 plays a year with children. He also conducts workshops in villages for youngsters between 11 and 19 years. Participants from Warsaw are taken to such village retreats for the 5-day workshops. They are divided into small groups, each with an actor guide. Every group puts up its show on the last day for their peers and parents. So this is paragraph number 2. Is it a fact or is it the opinion? Paragraph A, fact or opinion. Paragraph B, fact or opinion. That's all. Very light work this week. And if possible, Wednesday also we'll meet for practical class. I don't know, I'm not sure, but these are the 2 theory classes you are having, Monday and Tuesday. So Wednesday morning from 10:30 to 12:30, if possible, we'll be meeting for the practical class. I'll not give you much work at all. Listen to my lectures, enjoy those lectures. So Wednesday we'll be meeting both the batches if possible. Okay, now I take leave now. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, keep smiling always.